Finished. You see, I've changed everything. No plastic over drawings because it moves, and glues works perfectly on plastic, as I told you at the beginning. Then a wooden base, not plastic, so pins gets inside better. Remember, wooden base. Not balsa, not softwood. This is a normal plywood, marine plywood, so quite hard, but pins works perfectly. Well, I made a different layout in order to work better. Precision here is super important. Now, there are two more works. One, inside in these slots, put some of these. Let me show you these. Okay, and there are different sizes, so you have to choose the right one. And here they say to put these two little pieces on F2, that it is this one in this position. This is to support wind strut this V. Okay, so just by one side. Which one? Looking at a drawing, it seems by this side, and why not on the other side? Because the strut comes from here. It has to be stopped from here. Cement pieces of strip stock ribs to support wing strut legs, outside edge only. Outside edge. So F2 here. One little piece there and one piece there. Let's do it. Then I will put these and cut precisely, and one wing will be ready, finished to cement everywhere, and one wing will be ready to be sanded down, and this will be a very important work because we have to round this one and to shape, to make sharp this one perfectly, and here also to give it's a very nice work. Now I do this and the other one, and I show you at the end. Done. Now we go under. Perfect, no glue on the drawing. And now we have to mount this in, where is it? Well, no, not, I made a mistake. Done. Now begins the work to give the perfect shape. But the structure is done, and all the holes I made are super fantastic, super realistic. It will be lighter when I've finished scraping down. Okay, now glue. The last touches of glue, not so necessary because it's quite solid.
So just to reinforce.
Okay, let's do the second one. First, I will leave here. Second one, turn the drawing upside down, because I like to work in this way. And I will show you this second wing at the end, because it's the same thing, except for that now I know how to do, and these two little pieces I will apply first, then I mount on the wing. Okay, now I need the external frame parts. Bye bye to the end of this work. Yes, it's finished. Okay. Here I made a little mess with the glue because the hole of the glue was too big and a lot of glue went on the drawing. So we have the wing glued to the drawing. Now I have to try okay, well, stay up with the blade. Okay. Okay, and well, also here. Not a great work in this case. Scrape it down, no problem. Here needs a little repair. Where is it? Here. Oops. Okay. Now I leave the wings here for 2 hours about. The glue finished to dry. Doesn't finish to work because it takes 24 hours to finish the complete process and the chemical process, and then I send them down. But these wings are the best I ever made, just because there are holes. Now it's time to sand it down. Under, flat, here to do a perfect curve, then the front part round and the rear part, the exit. Let's do. one is made, now the other one, and for today the work will be finished. Done! The two wings are finished and ready to be covered. But before I leave them here and we concentrate on the other wing structure, 1 and 2. Finish these, we start the building of this. By now, my dear friends, bye bye. Comment, like and subscribe. Thank you.